This is how I create social media posts based on a transcript. The transcript might be for something like a podcast I was on, or a webinar that I hosted, or maybe even just a conversation I had with another person. The transcript itself is already saved to my Google Drive. So to start, I just paste the URL of that Google Drive file here in Claude. And then I have a prompt that I need to create some social media posts based on the transcript. And to start, I'm going to have Claude write the drafts for 2 LinkedIn posts and 3 Threads posts using my voice and tone guide. The voice and tone guide is already created and attached to this project, so Claude knows what to do with that. And then I just send the prompt. Claude thought for about 15 seconds and searched for my voice and tone guide, and then created the drafts here. I prefer to edit directly in Buffer, which is what I use for social media scheduling. It's easier for me to do that than to go back and forth with Claude directly in this app. So I go ahead and tell Claude to send the drafts directly to Buffer using the Zapier MCP. The language of what I described here is enough that Claude knows what to do. So then Claude thinks for a few minutes, and I can see that it's calling the Zapier MCP. Claude will do its thing in the background, and then it will confirm that the posts have been saved. For me, I have them saved as drafts in Buffer rather than added directly to my queue. So then I can click over to Buffer, and this is the drafts area. And you can see that these were created a couple of minutes ago by Claude. You can check out written versions of the tutorials I create on my website, tinkeringwithideas.io. I also have a ton of free resources on Gumroad. I've got guides, worksheets, e-courses. You can check them all out at products.annabeyang.com.